To transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to a Ledger Nano X, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the Holdings tab, where you'll find all your cryptocurrencies. Select the Bitcoin option. Then scroll down to the Send and Receive options, and click on the Send button. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue. You'll then need to enter the wallet address of your Ledger Nano X device, which can be found by opening the corresponding app, connecting your device, and selecting the Bitcoin option. Click on the Receive button. Select or create an account, and obtain your QR code and wallet address. Verify your wallet address by clicking on the Verify Address button. Then confirm the address with your device and app. Once confirmed, copy the wallet address and return to the Robinhood app to paste it into the required field. Click Review. Then verify the details of the transfer, including the wallet address and amount. If everything is correct, click the Transfer button to complete the process, and the Bitcoin will be transferred from Robinhood to your Ledger Nano X.